The second session, also roughly, it could be 4 hours, it could be 3 hours, depending on the breaks you take and how much time you use to analyze the case. We begin with problem management, the 5 steps and the 5 errors. And here we'll see that a problem is defined as a gap between what is and what could or should be. And when that gap breaks a certain threshold, people say, we have a problem. I've got to do something about this. I can't live with this anymore. Then the question becomes, what is the source of the gap? What is the root cause? Why did that gap appear? And then to develop a solution to close the gap. And then, of course, we have to implement the solution. And then we evaluate after a period of time. Did the gap close? Did it stay the same? Or did it get worse? These are the steps of problem management. Associated with those steps are errors, because any way along the way you cannot do it properly. You fail to get at the root cause, you don't pick a good solution, you fail to implement it properly. This is a delightful aspect of this course on conflict management, because the way we go about defining and solving problems manifests conflict. For example, if there's a gap, should we proceed with the steps of problem management or go on to something else? What are the different ways we can define root cause? Hence, conflict. What are the different solutions we can choose? Conflict. What are the different ways of implementing a solution in a living, breathing organization? Conflict. And once we reassess the size of the gap, do we proceed or do we go on to something else? Conflict. So we will see how the different conflict modes can be used in each step of problem management in order to minimize the errors.